Well, go ahead.
Okay. The Lord is my shepherd. I'm looking at the camera while I'm doing the Bible verse.
Okay, good.
Why are you looking at the camera too?
Oh, okay.
The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not be in want. He makes me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside quiet waters. He restores my soul. He guides me in paths of righteousness for His name's sake. Even though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I fear no evil, for You are with me. Your rod and Your staff, they comfort me. Surely, prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Now You anoint my head with oil. Surely,
my cup,
okay. My cup overflows. Surely, yes. Surely goodness will follow me all the days of my life.
Surely goodness and love.
Surely goodness and love will follow me all the days of my life, and I'll dwell in the house of the Lord forever.